Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to remove filter from Snapchat video in just a few easy steps. If you've ever applied a filter and then wish to go back to the original look, this video is for you. Now let's get started. Step 1. First thing first, grab your phone and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so you have access to the video you want to edit. Step 2. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen for the Photos option. It's in the menu bar, usually represented by two overlapping rectangles. Tap on it to open up your saved snaps and camera roll. Step 3. Inside this section, head over to the Camera Roll tab. This is where all the photos and videos from your phone's gallery are shown. Scroll through and select the Snapchat video you want to remove the filter from, then open it. Step 4. After the video opens, look at the top right corner and find the three dots icon. Tap on it, and a small menu will appear. From that menu, select Edit Snap to begin the editing process. Step 5. Now here's the trick. Put your finger on the screen and swipe from right to left. This will cycle through the filters that have been applied. If the video originally had no filter, swiping all the way to the beginning will bring it back to the original version. Once you've found the unfiltered version or the one you like, you're almost done. Step 6. To finalize and save the edited video, tap on the Export button. You'll find it near the bottom, and it might say something like Export Snap or Download. Tap that, and the video will be saved to your camera roll without the unwanted filter. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.